In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in, review a rejection error code, fix your return, and resubmit it for e-filing. To get started, sign in to your account using your usual login page. Make sure you're entering your information carefully, especially if you're returning after some time or using a different device than usual. Once you're successfully logged in, go to the section where your tax return or filing status is displayed. This is usually the main dashboard or summary page, where you can quickly see whether your return was accepted, is still pending, or has been rejected. If your return has been rejected, take a moment to open the rejection notice and read the error code shown there. This code is important because it tells you exactly what issue prevented the return from being accepted. In many cases, the platform will also provide a short explanation alongside the code, which can help you understand whether the problem is related to personal information, tax details, or another entry that needs to be corrected. Be sure to review this message carefully before making any changes so you can fix the right issue the first time. Once you've identified the rejection error, click the Fix Return option. This will take you back into the return so you can update the information that caused the rejection. Follow the prompts on screen and navigate to the section connected to the error code. As you make corrections, double-check each field for typing mistakes, missing information, or formatting issues. Even small errors can sometimes trigger a rejection, so it's worth taking an extra few seconds to confirm everything is accurate. After you've updated the incorrect data, review your return once more before submitting it again. This final check can help you catch anything else that might need attention and improve your chances of a successful e-file on the next attempt. When you're ready, continue through the filing steps and e-file the return again. If the system allows it, wait for the confirmation message that shows your return has been resubmitted. After that, keep an eye on your filing status for updates. If the return is accepted, you're all set. If it's rejected again,